Happy Wednesday, folks. It's January 31st, last day of the month. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. Let's go ahead and jump into today's market update. First things first, there are some job and employment numbers that came out. Obviously, later this week, Friday, we have the BLS jobs report. I really think that's the report we should look at when it comes to jobs. But ADP released their January employment numbers. It showed 107K jobs were created. They were expected about 150K, so that's a little down, a little lower than expected. There is a Fed conference today starting around 2 p.m. Most likely the Feds are going to leave the Fed's fund rate unchanged. They're not going to raise it, but it's going to be important to see what Mr. Powell says during the meeting. We'll just have to watch it. Everything he says can really sway the market, so we'll see what he says, but I don't expect the Fed's fund rate to change, and we'll really be listening to see when they're going to start cutting these rates. I think March or April we're really going to start seeing a dive, but we'll have to watch and pay close attention to what Mr. Powell says. MBA released their mortgage application data for last week. It showed refinances rose about 2%. They're up 3% from last year. Mortgage application data for purchases fell 11% week over week and are now down 20% year over year. Interest rates are hanging right around 6.75%. That's roughly 0.6% higher than they were last time this year. Mortgage-backed securities have been bouncing around this morning from like plus 17 to plus 27. Right now they're up 25 basis points right around 10:38 Eastern Standard Time this morning. That's a pretty good little gain. That's the market update I have for you today. We'll be back Friday, and hopefully we'll have some information on that BLS jobs report. As always, I'll keep you updated. The Davis Mortgage Team, the Moore Mortgage Group. I'm the Lone Cowboy. Catch you next time.